Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina, where I cook really easy family friendly type meals. I've recently gone plant-based, so if you're looking for some easy yummy plant-based family type meals, then you're at the right channel. Make sure you are subscribed. This video here, I am showing you how I make vegan French toast. So enough of this talking, let's get into the video. First, you're going to need 1 cup of non-dairy milk. I am using oat milk that I've made. I have a video where I'll show how I make my oat milk, so make sure you click that link. The card should pop up. So you're going to need about 1 cup of oat milk like I just mentioned. Then you're going to use about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. If you do not have that, no worries. You can use 1/2 teaspoon of allspice and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and it works just fine. 1/2 teaspoon or so of some vanilla extract. Dash of salt. Now whisk away. Alright, now when it comes to dipping the bread into the mixture, you don't want it to get soggy, so you want to be really quick, like just plopping it in there for like a second, flip it on the other side, and then put it on your grill. And I also try to kind of whisk it in between to make sure I get all the cinnamon, because sometimes the cinnamon has a tendency to float to the bottom, which makes me a little angry. So all I do is just whisk it back to the top to make sure the cinnamon and all the flavor and stuff gets on the bread. And then when they get nice and golden brown, you just flip them over so the other side can get brown, and voila, you got some delicious French toast. Top it with your favorite choice, the fruit. I use strawberries and banana, and I also have a little bit of butter on there. And then of course I need some of my log cabin syrup on top. And then let me tell you, that makes me want to eat some now. It came out so good. If you want to find out more recipes and all that kind of stuff, make sure you guys are following me on this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless.
The goddess of the Sidonians and Molech, the detestable god of the Ammonites. So Solomon did evil in the eyes of the Lord. He did not follow the Lord completely, as David his father had done. On a hill east of Jerusalem, Solomon built a high place for Chemosh, the detestable god of Moab, and for Moloch, the detestable god of the Ammonites. He did the same for all his foreign wives who burned incense and offered sacrifices to their gods. The Lord became angry with Solomon because his heart had turned away from the Lord, the God of Israel, who had appeared to him twice. Although he had forbidden Solomon to follow other gods, Solomon did not keep the Lord's command. So the Lord said to Solomon, "Since this is your attitude, and you have not kept my covenant and my decrees, which I commanded you, I will most certainly tear the kingdom away from you and give it to one of your subordinates. Nevertheless, for the sake of David your father, I will not do it during your lifetime. I will tear it out of the hand of your son. Yet I will not tear the whole kingdom from him, but will give him 1 tribe for the sake of David my servant, and for the sake of Jerusalem, which I have chosen." Then the Lord raised up against Solomon an adversary, Hadad the Edomite, from the royal line of Edom. Earlier, when David was fighting with Edom, Joab, the commander of the army, who had gone up to bury the dead, had struck down all the men in Edom. Joab and all the Israelites stayed there for 6 months, until they had destroyed all the men in Edom. But Hadad, still only a boy, fled to Egypt with some Edomite officials who had served his father. They set out from Midian and went to Paran. Then, taking people from Paran with them, they went to Egypt, to Pharaoh, king of Egypt, who gave Hadad a house and land and provided him with food. Pharaoh was so pleased with Hadad that he gave him a sister of his own wife, Queen Tahpenes, in marriage. The sister of Tahpenes bore him a son named Genubath, whom Tahpenes brought up in the royal palace. There Genubath lived with Pharaoh's own children. While he
I'm
was in
cooking.
Egypt,
Get out.
Ahab heard that David rested with his
Get out,
ancestors
Aubrey. Not
before
what I say.
under the
Respect
ark
what I
was
said.
also dead.
I'll talk to you when I'm
Ahab
done.
said to Pharaoh, "Let me go, that I may return
Okay,
to
then
my
we
own
can talk.
country." "What have you lacked here that you want to go back to your own country?" Pharaoh asked. "Nothing," Hadad replied, "but do let me go." And God raised up against Solomon another adversary, Rezon, son of Eliada, who had fled from his master Hadadezer, king of Zobah. When David destroyed Zobah's army, Rezon gathered a band of men around him and became their leader. They went to Damascus